Hi lovelies, welcome back to another review. It's Thursday, so today I have another review to share with you guys from the Makartt company, and it's on their jelly nail polish kit. You do get 6 jelly colors in this set, and it does say that right here. You have the Makartt logo up here, which you can't really see because of the colorful background, and these colors actually represent the colors of the item on or in the kit, as well as this little swirl right here. Hey. Alright, so each bottle inside of this kit is 10 ml, that is 0.33 fluid ounces, and at the back we have the Makartt soak off jelly nail polish kit. Now guys, I know it says nail polish, but this is actually a gel polish. You do need a UV or LED light to cure it, and it has the application, composition, precautions, combination, and the Makartt information, which is their website, their Facebook page, their Twitter. They're also on Instagram, but it's not here, and I will include all their contact information in my description box, as well as the links to this kit. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. And it's really snug in there, so it's not going to move or shift during shipping, and then this is also going to assist with holding that in place. So you have the green, and let me just go ahead and take these out of the packet without damaging them, hopefully. Oops.
And I do love this little black foam case. I'm going to keep it up to store them in, because it can stand up really nicely in my drawer when I keep my job out again.
So as I said, I am going to be keeping this foam because I really love it, and it stands up, and it would look really nice on a display as well. So let's get the bottle. It has the Makartt soak off jelly nail polish written on it. This is the color inside. It has the crystal green, and there's a number on each one, and each number is different, so I'm guessing that is the number of the gel polish itself. This one is 434, and as I said before, each bottle is 10 ml. At the back of the bottle, it does give you 3 steps. It says cure with UV LED lamp, which I already mentioned, avoid direct sunlight, which you want to do with all your gel polishes, and store in a dry and well ventilated place. Stick, and I am going to be using the clear pop sticks to do my swatches because it's jelly nails, and you do want your nails to be transparent and just have that glassy, fabulous look. And we're going to start off with the crystal green. Just going to move these back a bit. Oh wow. Okay, so we need to see this up close. Isn't that just gorgeous? Okay guys, it feels so satisfying to be playing with this. Okay, so let's just get into the swatch. Okay, let's just do this. So I am going to be applying the first coat of the crystal green, and even with gel polish, or even more so with jelly polishes, you want to do some nice long brush strokes so that it evens out and you don't have any piles of different tints of that color. And that is just okay. So let's use this nail, and that's after one coat. Going in with the first coat of the crystal orange. nice and transparent, and I'm going to go ahead and kill this. So now I'm going in with that crystal rose red, and this is a gorgeous neon pink. Now I am not a pink person, but I have a thing for neon pink, and this is just so stunning. I am in love with this color, and it's just gorgeous with one coat. Oof. Okay, so let's go ahead and kill that. So let's go with the crystal violet. Okay, so out of all, this one actually is what I'm rocking, but it does give me some streakiness no matter how much I play around with it. So I am just going to make sure that it's nice and even, or as even as possible. I'm going to kill this immediately. So now I'm going in with the crystal sky blue, and we get two blues in this set, a sky blue and a dark blue. So we're going to go in with the sky blue first. Oh my gosh. Okay, so when I get excited, I make funny noises. So if it is that you don't like that, then you can just exit this video like right now, because this color is just so stunning. I can see my next set with this. So now we're going in with the crystal dark blue. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. It's really hard to pick a favorite blue now. It really is. Seeing this swatched, it's just everything. Look at that. I got blue on my flower, man. That I've swatched so far, the rose red is the only one that I can see may not need a second coat because it is more pigmented than the rest. So I'm going to go in with my second coat of the lime green just to see how that looks, because that color is fabulous with one coat. But just to give it a little more, just to make it a little brighter. And these do cure with a tacky top, so you definitely need a top coat. Still very see-through, but a little brighter. Love it. So let's go ahead and get this in the lights, and I am curing each coat for 60 seconds. I am going to go ahead and apply the second coat to all the colors, including the rose red, just because I want to see what that second coat is going to do for it. And I'll meet you guys right back with my final thoughts on the Makartt Jelly Gel Polishers. So after swatching out all of these jellies, and I did use 2 coats, I did not however apply my no wipe gel top coat just yet, but aren't they just fabulous? Like, you could do a perfect rainbow jelly ombre with these 6 colors, and they are absolutely stunning. I'm very impressed with the way that the orange turned out. Now these jellies do retail for $17.99 on the Makartt Amazon page, and you do get free shipping. Now, as I said previously, it is 10 ml, but that works out to be a little under $3 for one of these jelly bottles. Now, Makartt does have a base and a top, however I don't own it, but that does retail for $11.99, and you can get a double pack of the top coats if you don't need the base coat, and it is the same price, free shipping as well. So this set was my first set of jelly gel polishes, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I did use the crystal violet to create this set that I'm wearing right now. It's really stunning. Overall, I'm really loving these jellies, and there is not a very harsh chemical smell to them, so I wanted to mention that to you guys. So this is the end of my review. Don't forget to check out my description box for all the information as well as the links. These jellies were actually sold out, and Makartt just restocked them, so definitely take advantage of that and get yours before they go out again. As always, if it was helpful and informative, give my review a big thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and while you're there, don't forget to press on that notification bell so that you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. And I look forward to seeing you next Thursday for another review. As always, I would love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll see you soon.